Oh, hey guys, you're here to come check out the textile lab at Innevation Center? Well, I'm Dom. Let's go check it out. Alright, welcome to the new and improved textile lab. We have 3 machines in here, a new serger, sewing machine, and embroidery machine. Alright, let's dive deep into it. So here is our Brother 1034DX. It's a serging machine, runs on a 3/4 needle, aka you can do an overlock stitch, just like this, for finishing seams for strong seam construction. It's very simple to use. It takes a little bit of time to understand it, but within a few times of using it, you'll become pro at it. All right, let's move on. Next stop. We got the Singer Heavy Duty 4452. It is our newest sewing machine addition. It is a manual domestic machine that has a pretty heavy duty motor similar to an industrial machine. This puppy can pretty much sew through anything with a bunch of cool features. We got a 33 different stitches that you can go through. You have the ability to put a double thread and run a double needle on here with a single bobbin, so complexity goes down a little bit. And also you can run a walking foot strip for your heavier, thicker materials. This puppy can pretty much get you through every project that you need to, and it's super simple, user-friendly, and not very intimidating with the fact that it is manual. And just as a serger, just with a couple of times of practice, you'll be able to get your project down pretty fast. All right, let's move on down to our embroidery machine. This is the Brother SC600. It is a double embroidery and sewing machine. Right now we have it set up as an embroidery machine for walk-in, but if the other sewing machine is used, then we can switch it up back to a sewing machine. Okay. And it's pretty sweet. It is fully computerized and automatic. You don't need to run a pedal with it. Within the database in here, Brother came in with a bunch of monogramming and a bunch of different embroidery options. In the future, we are learning to build a program that we can run a PES file, which is what this prescribes as, and we can go through and put your own logo in the future, but right now we're just running with our database. So this thing is pretty user-friendly. It does take a little bit more time to understand and a little bit more of an obstacle to get through your project, but after using it a few times, once again, it's not very intimidating and you can totally get your project going. Also, within all of our stuff here, we have accessories, we have needles, threads. We're running on some used fabric right now, and we have all of the equipment that you need to get your project going. We have a full leather crafting session in here, and all the tools that you need for every type of fabric that you could possibly think of. Your needles, as well as a bias tape maker for finishing seams on the outside. 42-piece presser foot for the Singer Heavy Duty, so you can get through all the obstacles with ease of any type of presser foot. And that's what we have today. So welcome to the Innevation Center Textile Lab. I'm Dom, and have a great day.
Oh, hey. How's it going? My name's Josh. This is the electronics lab here in the Makerspace. Let me show you around. So here we have our oscilloscope and a power supply and a function generator. This is good for troubleshooting any electronic parts. Right now I'm working on my solder buddy. This is a device that will help feed solder without having to burn your hands, and hopefully I can make an instructional video soon on how to show you, because safety is #1 priority. Here we have 2 solder stations and all the tools that you need for soldering any wires together, or even micro soldering. We have a heat gun that's good for that too. We also provide the solder, so all you have to do is bring your project or your parts down here. Here in this blue cabinet we have small electrical components, or more passive components like some capacitors or resistors. Here in this middle one we have more medium-sized ones, some microcontrollers, and Raspberry Pis. These do cost money, but everything else is up for grabs. And then here we have larger components like beagle bones or breadboards. And then here we also have multimeters. and down there are just extra solders and inductors and stuff. But yeah, make sure to come down here and bring your projects, and we'll help you out. We'll make sure to treat you right. All right, see you guys later.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. What's up? My name's Taylor, and this is the vinyl cutting station. In this station, we have all the programs you would need as well as a vinyl cutter. The program right here is called Vinyl Master. We have it downloaded on this computer to use. And we also have CorelDRAW. Both of these programs work with our vinyl cutter. Our vinyl cutter is over here, and this is called the Titan. It's a US cutter. It's 53 inches. With this, you can cut all vinyls and also draw on paper with a pen that we have as an adapter. If you spin around, we sell over vinyl here, so that way you don't have to go anywhere and buy anything. We also here in-house, we got red colors, blue colors, green colors, all the cool colors. Any colors that you would need, we have down here in the space. We also sell transfer tape with them to lay them down. We'll train you on how to lay it down. We'll also train you on how to cut it. We also sell some scraps that people use. A lot of time, not everybody needs everything they have. We also have some scrap vinyl. And you have all the tools you would need for vinyl cutting. We have an X-Acto knife, we have the card, and we have the scissors. All of this makes a lot more sense when we come down and do some vinyl cutting. But come on down, and you get cool sticker just like this. So come on down and use the Makerspace.